Welcome to English Mastery Voyage channel.
A good meal. The children were hungry. They looked out the window. Where was their mother? She walked into the house. The children ran over to her. "Mama, we're so hungry," they both said. Up. She said lunch was coming. She walked into the kitchen. Up. She opened a can of chicken soup. She poured the soup into a pot. She added water. She put the pot on the stove. She made 2 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. She sliced an apple. The soup was hot. She poured it into 2 bowls. She put the sandwiches on 2 plates. She put apple slices on each plate. She put the bowls and plates on the table. The children ran to the table. "Thank you, Mommy," they said. Then they started eating. The cat and the dog watched them eat.
New shoes. She is young. Her shoes are old. She wears them to work. She goes to work 5 days a week. She loves her work. She is a waitress. She works at a restaurant. The restaurant is near her home. She walks to the restaurant. She stands up all day long. She is young and strong. But her shoes are not. They are old. She saw an ad in the paper. All shoes were on sale at the shoe store. She walked into the store. She looked around. She saw some black shoes. They looked good. She tried them on. They were very comfortable. They felt good. They were only $25. She paid cash. She wore them home. She felt good. She was ready for work the next day.
Life is good. I am happy. I have many friends. I have a large family. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. I am in the middle. 4 brothers are older than me. 4 sisters are younger than me. I go to school. I am in the 6th grade. I like my teachers. My teachers like me. I have friends in every class. My favorite class is history. I like to read about history. History is a story about our past. Soon we will all be history. Then kids in school will read about us. I hope they like our stories. My best friend is Bobby. Bobby and I do many things together. We swim together. We play basketball together. We ride our bikes together. I have many other friends. We all go to the mall on weekends. We go to movies. We go to restaurants. We tell jokes. We laugh. We have fun. Life is great.
A clean car. He had a blue car. He loved his blue car. It was dark blue. It had 4 doors. It was not a new car. It was an old car. But it had new tires. It had new black tires. All 4 tires were new. He felt safe with his new tires. They would not blow out. He could drive everywhere with his new tires. His car was dirty. He needed to wash it. The windows were dirty. The doors were dirty. The hood was dirty. The trunk was dirty. The bumpers were dirty. The tires weren't dirty. They were new tires. They were black and shiny. They looked good. He did not have to wash his tires, but he did have to wash his car. He put water into a bucket. He put a sponge into the bucket. He washed his car with the sponge. He dried his car with a towel. His car was shiny blue now. It looked like new.
A meowing cat. Sarah woke up because she heard a cat. She heard a cat meowing outside her window. Sarah woke up when she heard the cat meowing. Sarah got out of bed and walked to the window. She looked out the window. She saw a small grey cat. It was meowing very loudly. Sarah opened her window. She looked at the meowing cat. "Why are you meowing so loudly?" she asked the cat. The cat looked at Sarah. Then it stopped meowing.
Helping hands. Tom loved to help his grandma in the kitchen. Every weekend, he visited her, and they cooked together. Grandma showed Tom how to mix ingredients, knead dough, and chop vegetables. Tom's small hands worked carefully, following Grandma's instructions. One Saturday, Grandma felt tired and needed to rest. Tom decided to surprise her. Remembered all the things she had taught him. With his hands, he mixed flour, water, and yeast to make dough. He let it rise, just like Grandma showed him. He chopped the vegetables for the sauce. When Grandma woke up, she smelled something delicious. She went to the kitchen and saw Tom's wonderful meal. "Did you make this all by yourself?" she asked, amazed. "Yes, Grandma. I used my hands, just like you taught me," Tom replied. Smiling, Grandma hugged Tom and said, "You have become a great cook, my dear. Your helping hands made a beautiful meal."
The Rose Garden. Sophie loved flowers, especially roses. She had a small garden where she planted many different colors of roses: red, pink, yellow, and white. Every morning, she went to her garden to take care of the roses. She watered them and talked to them. One day, her neighbor, Mr. Green, visited her garden. He admired the beautiful roses and said, "Sophie, your roses are amazing. How do you grow them so well?" Sophie smiled and replied, "I give them love and care every day. Roses need attention, just like people." Mr. Green was inspired by Sophie's words. He decided to plant his own rose garden. Sophie helped him choose the best roses and taught him how to care for them.
The Lost Puppy. Tom and his little sister, Lily, were playing in the garden one sunny afternoon. Suddenly, they heard a soft barking sound. They followed the sound and found a tiny puppy hiding under a bush. The puppy looked scared and hungry. "We need to help the puppy," Lily said. Tom agreed. They gently picked up the puppy and brought it inside. They gave the puppy some milk and a warm blanket to sleep on. The puppy started to wag its tail and looked much happier. "We should find the puppy's owner," Tom said. Lily nodded. They made posters with a picture of the puppy and wrote, "Found puppy" with their phone number. They put the posters up around the neighborhood. The next day, a little girl named Emily called them. She was very happy to hear about the puppy. Emily and her mom came to Tom and Lily's house. When the puppy saw Emily, it ran to her and started to bark happily. "Thank you so much for finding my puppy," Emily said, hugging Tom and Lily. Tom and Lily felt happy. They knew they had done a good deed. They waved goodbye to Emily and the puppy, feeling proud of their teamwork and kindness.